Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with NBDB, National Bank Direct Brokerage. Review my usage experience. NBDB, National Bank Direct Brokerage, offers online brokerage services, allowing users to buy and sell stocks, bonds, and other investment products. Its main purpose is to provide self-directed investing options to individuals. Key features likely include online trading platforms, account management tools, and potentially research resources. Their website provides details on specific offerings and fees. NBDB's positioning focuses on providing a straightforward and potentially cost-effective platform for investors. Their website highlights competitive pricing and mentions no hidden fees, although specific details vary depending on the type of transaction. Ease of use is emphasized through a user-friendly interface, though the level of sophistication may vary based on individual investor experience. Availability is limited to those residing in regions where National Bank operates. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using NBDB. Getting started was surprisingly easy. The account setup process was streamlined and straightforward, taking less than 15 minutes to complete. Navigating the interface was intuitive, even for someone like me who isn't a seasoned investor. I particularly appreciated the clear presentation of account balances and transaction history. I used the platform to buy a few shares of a tech company and sell some bonds I had held for a while. Both transactions went smoothly and quickly. The execution speed was excellent, with trades processing within minutes. I had a quick question about transferring funds and their support responded within 24 hours via email. That was efficient. One minor drawback was the lack of advanced charting tools that I'm used to from other platforms. The standout feature for me was definitely the straightforward fee structure. Everything was clearly laid out with no unexpected charges. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with NBDB. It's a solid platform for those who want a simple, user-friendly, and transparent brokerage experience. While it lacks some of the bells and whistles of more premium platforms, it effectively meets the needs of the average investor. That's my overview of NBDB, National Bank Direct Brokerage. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.